Let's do a little check-in what we are starting with. So, crepiness, fine lines, texture, and laxity. Whoops, let me back us up a little bit. I am about to conduct an experiment, if you will. Here's what we're gonna do. For the next 4 weeks, I'm gonna be using the Murad Retinol Resculpt Eye Treatment at night as part of my nighttime skincare routine to see if we can diminish some of the common signs of aging. Laxity, firmness, fine lines, wrinkles. Are you ready? This is week 3, 21 days. Look at the difference. What's really special and unique about the Murad Retinol Eye Treatment is they encapsulate the retinol. So they create this bubble around the active ingredient. So it's delivering this really potent, effective retinol, but it's still so gentle and doesn't cause irritation. I don't even know if you're ready for this. Are you ready for this? Okay, wait, I'm trying to move myself out of the way so you can really see. Look at this. Look at the difference in 4 weeks. You can clearly see, well, let me move myself. You can clearly see the brow is so lifted. There is a reduction in the deep lines and wrinkles. The clarity, the texture of the skin is just so much brighter and more elasticity. Yes, this delivered every single thing it claimed it would. My whole under eye area is just firmer, brighter, and more taut. I feel like my work here is done. You've seen befores, you've seen progress pictures, and you've seen the results. Now I'm asking you, do you need an eye cream?